Today we're going to plant beans. This is the area where we harvested the garlic. Perfect time to plant beans for an August crop. I want to just recondition the bed a little bit, stir it up, get out some of the weeds. We're going to do two different types of beans, but both are string beans. So very similar, just a different color. They should produce fruit at the same time. So the golden wax beans are very pale, as you can see, and then the dark purple beans are brownish. So I'm pretty much going to just plant these in a row, and I'm trying to just break up that soil a little bit. Do the light beans first. Look how beautiful they are. Planting depth 1.5 inches. Now beans are big seeds, so big seed goes deeper, tiny seeds more shallow. Larger seeds do not have as much longevity as smaller seeds. So I'm going to cover them over and see what we got. This is for 2024, so these are much fresher beans. It'll be an interesting comparison to see if there's a lot of difference in germination viability. Gardening is great because it combines like art and science and gets you out in nature, escape from the modern world. Of course, not without its frustrations, also part of life. It says days to germination 7 to 10 days, so we'll keep an eye on it and see what it looks like a week from now.